Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy Reuben casserole. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 can, which is 14 ounces of sauerkraut, and you want to open that, rinse it, and drain it well. Then you need 1 1/4 cup of chopped cooked corned beef, or I'm just using 7 ounces of the deli corned beef and I just chopped it up. Then you need 1 cup of sour cream, 1 small onion chopped, 1 garlic clove minced, or that equals 1/4 teaspoon of the minced garlic. Then you need 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese, 4 slices of rye bread, and you just want to cube those up like I did here, and then 4 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt that. So go ahead and spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray and preheat your oven to 350, which mine just said it was all ready. Alright, so right here in a large bowl, I have my sauerkraut, corned beef, sour cream, onion, and garlic. And I am just going to stir that until it is nice and combined. And then we're just going to go ahead and pour that all into our prepared baking dish. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to sprinkle our cheese over top. Alright, that looks great. So next let's go ahead and add our rye bread cubes. Alright, that looks really good. So next, melt your butter in the microwave and just drizzle it over top of everything. Alright, that's ready to go into the oven now for 25 to 30 minutes, uncovered. Alright, my casserole just came out of the oven and it looks and smells amazing. We're going to let this cool off a little bit and then I'm going to have a taste because it's really not Taste Tester's cup of tea. He really does not like sauerkraut. Alright, I scooped me out a big portion here and it just looks really yummy. Thanks for watching everybody and we will see you next time. Bye.